To set up remote access on your Xfinity router, start by accessing the router's web interface. Open a web browser and type the router's IP address, which is usually 10.0.0.1. Press enter and you will be prompted to log in with your admin username and password. The default username is usually admin and the default password is password. But this may vary depending on your specific router model. Once you are logged in, click on the Advanced Settings or Wireless Settings option. Depending on your router model, look for the Remote Management or Remote Access option and select Enable. You may need to create a new username and password for remote access, so make sure to choose a strong and secure password. Next, you need to set up port forwarding to allow remote access to your router. This will involve specifying the IP address of the device you want to access remotely in the port number you want to use. Make sure to use a secure port number and to only allow access from trusted devices. After setting up port forwarding, you can test remote access by trying to access your router from a remote location. You can use a tool like a web browser or a remote desktop client to connect to your router and verify that remote access is working correctly. It is essential to note that enabling remote access on your router can pose a security risk if not done correctly. Make sure to use strong passwords and to only allow access from trusted devices. You should also keep your router's firmware up to date to ensure you have the latest security patches. In addition to the security risks, there are some best practices to keep in mind when setting up remote access on your Xfinity router. Always use a secure connection, such as HTTPS or SSH, to encrypt your data and protect it from interception. You should also limit the number of devices that can access your router remotely and only allow access from trusted devices. By following these steps and best practices, you can set up remote access on your Xfinity router and enjoy the convenience of being able to manage your network from anywhere. Remember to always prioritize security and to take steps to protect your network from unauthorized access.